Hi folks, and welcome to a new video. Jacopo from the Dokin team here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Dokin to connect live data from Google Analytics into Google Sheets so that you can create dynamic dashboards that are always up to date with your web performance data. So first things first, I have a spreadsheet right here and I have launched my Dokin sidebar. I've done that from the extension tab, clicked on start, and I have it here on my right side. So I can start using it to pull data from my business applications into my spreadsheet. So I'm going to click on connect new data. And I'm going to be redirected to a selector with a list of all the applications that are currently integrated with Dokin. And I'm going to select Google Analytics. I'm going to start a new custom import from scratch. And as always, if this was the first time that I was connecting to Google Analytics, I would have to connect to my account. But I have already done that, so I'm straight at the import stage. And I'm going to start by giving a name to my import. I'll call it GA4 demo. And I can begin to import my tables. I'm going to select an account, my Dokin account, and as a property, a landing page that we have. And I can start selecting some metrics and pivots that I want to use for my report. So I'm going to import things like my year month, which is a dimension. I'm going to select that. I then want to select my users, total users, which is a metric. And something else that I want to do is maybe sessions. I'm going to select sessions, then sessions per users, and also maybe the views, page views, and my bounce rate. And I think that's it. I could add other fields, but I'm gonna play it cool. And as you can see on my preview, I only have one line. It's because the period that is currently selected is the current month. I wanna select my current year. So I do that, and normally the preview is gonna update right now, as you can see. And I have all my months right here. I could add some sorting, so I want to sort by descending order of my year month. And I could also add an automatic refresh of this data so that on a specific schedule, this is going to automatically update. Like every week on Mondays at 9, I could receive a notification by Slack or email. I'm not going to do any of that for the time being. I'm going to keep it manual. So I'm going to select no. And I'm going to click on connect, and that's it. Basically, as you can see, I have a new tab that has been created with the data that I have imported that I could use now to create some live dashboards and to basically select and see live data from Google Analytics. Whenever I want to refresh, I just need to click on refresh import, and my tab is going to be automatically updated with the latest version of the data. So let me know what you think. Looking forward to hearing your feedback. Any questions, feel free to add them in the comments. Thanks a lot.